Can you explain what SBA franchise financing is and how it differs from other financing options?
Well, franchise financing, first off, is they're basically lending on projections, right? So if it's a franchise startup, I'm assuming it's a franchise startup. There's also franchise resales where it's just like a business acquisition, where underwriting can be underwriting off the cash flow of the seller's tax returns. But assuming it's a franchise startup, meaning it doesn't have any operating history, you're creating 3 years of projections, the first 2 years broken down month by month. And essentially they have their underwriting guidelines. I'm talking about the bank, and they're gonna make a loan based on projections, and they're gonna lend up to 80 to potentially 90% of the total cost. So it's kind of a high risk loan, right? Because there's typically no collateral if the loan amount's under 500,000, except maybe some trucks and things like that. So there's definitely a collateral shortfall, and guidelines don't require additional collateral if the loan's under 500,000. So that's like the biggest difference on franchise financing. You're not going to get this type of financing anywhere else out there, period, on a franchise. So on a business acquisition, they're going to do 90%. On a franchise startup, majority of lenders are doing about 80%. Some will do 90%. So very aggressive financing. No other product out there will match that. So that's why, and it's also amortized over 10 years. So it's a pretty long term. Some banks offer interest only for the first 9 months as well, and they offer working capital, and some of the banks even give you an additional line of credit. So that's the real difference. Great question. SBA financing is definitely the way to go if you're looking for some kind of debt vehicle to finance a franchise. Thanks for the question.
Hi, this is Bo Eckstein, host of the Investor Financing Podcast. Are you a real estate investor with properties and you're trying to figure out how to refinance or grow your existing real estate business? Need some clarity and a game plan for moving forward? I'm offering a free strategy call where we dive deep on your real estate investing goals. I'll help you come up with a strategic finance plan that will help you get to where you want to go. Whether you've got a portfolio of 30 properties or you're starting out with your first property, I have a framework that has helped many investors grow. If you're interested, book a call below in the Calendly link.
Hey guys, Bo Eckstein here. If you enjoyed what you saw, please subscribe to this channel. We talk all things financing. I've been in the lending industry for over 20 years, and I'm happy to answer your questions and provide great content.